Hello. I hope you're having a great Thursday so far. Thank you again for doing your word of the day today. Let's get started. You should have your paper and a pencil, and we need to write today's date. Today is Thursday, May 7th, 2020. So we're going to write it as 5-7-20. Okay, and since this is our last day this week for our word of the day, your word's a little harder today. Are you ready? Slob. Write the word slob. Yeah, if you're a slob, it means like you keep your house so messy or your room so messy. You don't like to clean things up. You're a slob. Slob. If you need more time, go ahead and pause it. Otherwise, let's get started. Ready? Hands up. Here we go. Stretch it out. Slob. Say it fast. Slob. Good. Count it on your fingers. Ready? Slob. How many today? 4. Good. What's the first sound? Like in Snyder's name, right? Letter S. Oh, like in Leslie and Louise. Octopus, letter O. Slob. Starting at the top, belly around, letter B. Slob. Check your writing, making sure you have your correct letters in the correct spot on the line. Okay, once you have your word slob, start thinking of some rhyming words. Remember, for it to be rhyming, it needs the same middle and ending sounds. Slob cob, slob bob, slob job. I'm gonna go with gob. That means like a big amount of gob. 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 Make sure you have your word 2 times and then your rhyming word. And now we are gonna get started on our sentence. So listening first, ready? Do not be a slob at home. Say it with me. Do not be a slob at home. Okay, count how many words in our sentence. Let's check. Ready? Do not be a slob at home. 5 and 2 equals 7. Good job. Kiss your brain if you got 7, my friends. Okay, let's get started. Remember, our first word, we always start with a capital letter. Do. How do we write do? D-O. Let's see, I'm going to skip one more line today. Do. What comes next? Not. Yeah, we don't want you to be a slob. Do not. Making sure you have a spaceman. And then how do we write the sight word not? N-O-T. Let's read it. Do not be. How do we write be? It's another sight word. B-E. Good. Let's read it. Do not be a. Remember what letter is a? Letter A. And we write it lowercase. Good. Let's read it. Do not be a slob. Write your word of the day. doing great, guys. Let's keep working. We're going to read it again so we know what comes next. Do not be a slob at. At's a sight word. How do we write it? A-T. Good job, boys and girls. If you aren't remembering these sight words, you need to let me know and I'll make you some more videos, okay? You really need to know all your sight words. Think how many we do in our writing. Okay, let's read it. Do not be a slob at home. Home is not a sight word. Let's say the sounds. Ready? Home. Okay, what's the first sound? We're going to stretch it out and write it together. Ready? Hot. Letter H. Oh, what name are we saying? What letter is that? Oh, good. Write your letter O. What letter? M. Okay, this is one of our first grade sight words. Where to make it say O, what do we need at the end? A magic E. Good job, boys and girls. Let's read it. Do not be a slob at home. What do I need at the end? Is this a question or a sentence? It's a sentence. I couldn't trick you. We just need a period. Okay, we're gonna read it one more time and then we are done for today. Here we go. How about this time we read it as if you were a slob. Ready? Do not be a slob at home. So silly. Make sure you read it to one other person in your family, and tomorrow you will have your Word of the Day quiz. Bye, guys.